A very popular addition to our FX Trauma Pro Makeup Kit is this kit of sealers and adhesives and removers. Here we have spirit gum remover, adhesive and remover. Spirit gum does have alcohol in it. We have ProAdhesive and remover. ProAdhesive does not have alcohol in it, but its remover does. This is flexible wax sealer. It definitely has alcohol in it. And then there's our makeup setting spray, which also has alcohol in it. This group of FX makeup is a very important product, so we've set it into its own special little kit. And I'll show you how to use it right now. If you apply wax, and you want that wax application to be durable, you start with spirit gum. You apply spirit gum to the area where the wax is going to go. You let it breathe a little bit. You tap it out. There are little strings of the adhesive as I tap. And just as those strings start to disappear, stop tapping. At this point, you take your wax, you press it down into the mostly just tacky spirit gum, spread it down, spread it down, spread it down, and that spirit gum will hold the wax. Does a very nice job. Effectively, you'll have this then. I have an area that I've pre-done here with wax. So it's got its adhesive underneath. But you want to seal the top, perhaps, to make it more durable. You can seal the top with liquid latex, or you can seal it with flexible wax sealer. Effectively, flexible wax sealer is like liquid plastic. Smells really bad, dries really fast. You can use the brush that's right in the container. If you're doing larger areas, that can be kind of tedious. So you can use something like a number 10 flat brush, and you'll apply the product faster. And I believe you can apply it just a little more evenly with a wider brush. But it's not mandatory. You can do a fine job with the brush that's right in the container. Just optional. The brush is not actually part of the kit. It dries almost as fast as you apply it. C'est bon, n'est-ce pas? 2 or 3 coats, dries very quickly. You're ready to go to makeup. Whatever kind of makeup you want, whether you want to spray airbrush makeup over the top of it, or whether you want to use regular cream-based makeup and then powder it down as you wish. But that is flexible wax sealer. So now you've seen spirit gum in one use and flexible wax sealer. Another use for spirit gum would be the application of crepe wool. So if you're trying to build a beard, a mustache, werewolf hair, etc., you'd apply the spirit gum, get your hair ready, tap out the spirit gum a little bit, and press it in and layer it up like shingles. We have instruction sheets for that sort of thing in our werewolf kit. But it's a classic technique. Spirit gum is the classic theatrical adhesive. And our formula is really, really nice because it gives you a lot of working time. And it stays somewhat flexible. It doesn't get crystalline so that your beard won't fall off in the middle of your performance. That's kind of important. An additional item you use spirit gum for is just for sticking on small pre-made appliances. Once again, paint on the spirit gum, tap it out, stick down the product, make it nice and smooth. You want the edge to go away, maybe you'll use liquid latex. But if you want to just stick on some sort of pre-made bullet hit or pre-made something else, spirit gum, that's your guy. Now, if you are doing a violent performance, like you're in a haunted house and you're hanging upside down and you're dressed like a clown and whatever, and you've got parts on that must not fall off during your entire 3 or 4 hour performance, you need ProAdhesive. ProAdhesive is the strongest adhesive, the strongest theatrical adhesive out there. ProAdhesive works like contact cement. You put it on 2 places, you let it dry crystal clear, and then after it's dried, you approximate the 2 surfaces, and they don't come apart. you need to take it off with ProAdhesive remover. Now, it's possible that if you've been sweating through this stuff for 4 or 5 hours, maybe it'll come off, but you're going to wish you had ProAdhesive remover. This kit has both the ProAdhesive and the ProAdhesive remover, so you can safely wear and remove the ProAdhesive. So you have, once again, spirit gum remover, ProAdhesive, ProAdhesive remover, setting spray, which I'll describe in a moment, and your flexible wax sealer. Setting spray is just a fine mist setting spray. You spray just a little bit on over the top of the makeup, whatever that makeup might be. Let it dry, and then go on with life. It's just a nice way to set your makeup so it's more durable. So in the interest of having the best sealers and adhesives available on the market, as a perfect addition to the Trauma FX kit that you may have purchased earlier, we have spirit gum and its remover, ProAdhesive and its remover, flexible wax sealer, and setting spray. And there you have it. So, happy making up!